Welcome to Cooking with Xander with your host, Chef Carl.
Okay, chefs, this week we had, a rough go of it. I can't sugarcoat it. Brad, you made a ham and cheese sandwich on our classic PB&J night. Caroline, you left the SpaghettiOs on the lid in the microwave. Mitchell, you created a crime when you made the oatmeal raisin cookies on dessert night. And worst of all, Louise, on our ABC night, you created Brussels sprouts.
My apologies, Chef Carl. It won't happen again.
Yeah, it won't. Get out of my kitchen, Louise. As for the rest of you, don't mess up tonight. Tonight, you're going to be taking on one of my favorite dishes, the chicken nuggets. Yes! And your time starts now.
Chef Carl, how much time do we have left?
10 seconds remaining. Okay, if you haven't plated your food already, you may do that now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Caroline, let's start with you. Tell me what you prepared.
Yes, Chef Carl. I have prepared oven-warmed nuggets made of chicken. The mustard actually pairs quite well with the nuggets, Chef. It's truly delightful.
I'll be the judge of that. Wow, it's actually quite good, Caroline. For dog food. Brad, what in the Jurassic Park have you created for me today?
It's a dino nugget, mashed potato, lava mountain.
Do none of you understand this show? This is about cooking.
Chef Carl,
What is it, Mitchell?
I think you need to go a little easier on us and have some self-control yourself.
Come again now?
Yeah, you can be mad, but you still have to control
Louise?
your...
What are you still doing here?
Sorry, Chef. My bad.
I suppose you're right, Mitchell. As a follower of Jesus, I have to watch my words. I'm sorry, guys.
On behalf of Chef Carl, thank you for cooking with Xander. See you next time.